Hi guys! Welcome to our channel, Adobo with Garam Masala. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Hi! For today's video, andito po ako sa aming mahiwagang kusina and I'm going to make a Pantry Haul and Organizing. Ayan po, ito po yung aming yan. Ayan po, at makalat siya. Since right now we are on our day 6 of lockdown here in Kuwait, I'm going to organize our pantry. At the same time, I'm going to show you what's inside the pantry of Indian and Filipino family. And we're going to have a competition which items have more Indian or Filipino. Alin ang mas maraming item, Indian ba or Filipino sa aming pantry? Come and join me. Samahan niyo ako na maglinis at mag-organize ng aming pantry. Umpisahan ko na po. Bago po yan, shout out muna kay dearest Solin's World. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe kay dearest Solin's World, please go to their channel, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And first honor. Ano to? Eto, oil ito. This is from Kerala. This is an oil. Kasi when we are in Kerala, there are a lot of mosquitoes. Tapos, kinagat yung aking mga anak ng mosquito. And then, my mother-in-law, binigay niya to sa amin para ipahid dun sa mga kagat ng mosquito. Effective naman siya. It's oil. Ayan. So, I guess 1 point for India. Ayan. So, 1 point na ang India team. Next. Okay. This is for me. Lucky Me Chicken Sotong. 1 point for Philippines team. Anyone from India try this one? This is a noodles. Instant vermicelli soup. Okay. So, 1 point for Philippines, 1 point for India. Of course, during quarantine, hindi mawawala ang ating sardinas. I guess it's okay. We'll count this as one item. 2, 4, 5. We still have 5 cans of sardines. I think it will last us until the end of the month. Kasi dito po sa Kuwait, matatapos ang aming lockdown at the end of the month of May. So, yan. Philippines, 2 points. India, 1 point. Yan. And this one is G-rice. So, 2 is 2. G-rice is from India. I'm eating rice, but it's first time to see G-rice here in Kuwait. Introduced to me by my husband. So 2 points Philippines, 2 points India. And this one is London Dairy ice cream. This is not an ice cream. This is inside what? It's jaggery. Jaggery in Tagalog, it's what? I'm not sure. If you know the Tagalog of jaggery, it's panutsa, I think. If you know the Tagalog of this one, maybe it's panutsa. Panutsa, I'm not sure. But in Pangasinan, it's the mug. It's sugar. This is sweet. The mug. We call it the mug. Yeah, we put in ice cream. And salt. No, 0 points. Sure, both countries are using this one. Coffee. No points. Both are drinking coffees. Shit. This not a coffee. This is what? Ta-da! Sugar. I'm recycling the grapon, the container of coffee, and putting a sugar. I'm recycling it. So no points. Still 2-2. Quaker Oats. This item, I love this item. It's good for making porridge. I'm making this to cook our caldo. I'm using it to cook our caldo. I think in India they're using this too. So still 2. This is Foster Clark's vanilla essence. I think both countries are using this one. So still 0. 2-2. 2-2. Now we're going Philippines. 1 more point. So 3 Philippines, 2 India. This is Ribisco peanut butter. This is a biscuit. So 3-2. 4-2 now. Why? Because it's a canned goods. Do Indians don't eat canned goods? I think they're eating, but definitely this for us Philippines. So we're 4-2. Why is for me this is 4 points for Philippines? Kasi when I'm in Kerala, when you look at my in-laws' house, in their kitchen, you can't find any canned goods. Yes. So this for, I'm not sure in other state or in other households, but in my in-laws households, I can't find any canned goods inside their kitchen. So for Philippines to India. Again, this is not a coffee, mga kababayan. My friends, this is not a coffee. I put green peas. So 1 more point for India, I guess. In Philippines, we're using this also, but just like in the morning, my husband cooked one dish made from the green peas curry. He make a curry for our breakfast. In Philippines, I sow green peas in giniling. It's not the main dish, but as sahog, and one of the ingredients. So score now is 4-3 for Philippines, 3 India. 4-3, 4-4, 4-5, 4-6. These all Indian products or Indian items. 4-6, fish masala, meat masala, chili powder. 4-6. Why not consider this as chili powder point for India? Kasi in Philippines, we're not too much in the spicy. So this point is for them. 4-6. 4-6. There's no point. 4-6. 5-6. Dato puti. Soy sauce. Definitely Filipino. We use it for adobo. 5-6. Vermicelli. How do you pronounce this? Vermicelli. No point. I guess both are using. 5-6. 6-6. I have crispy fried breading mix. This is made in Philippines. 6-6. 7-6. Right? 7-6. So 6 India, 7 Philippines, 6 7. Now 7 7. Dal. This is dal. This is for India. 7 7. And this is for Philippines. Of course, Pancit Canton. Not Lucky Me. Indomie. Pancit Canton. 7 8. Sugar. No, this is salt. Hello. This is salt. No point. 7 8. 7 8. This is mixed spices. 1 point for India. 8 8. Peanut butter. No point. 8 8. Again, spices. 8 8. So 9 8. India. 9 India, 8 Philippines. And this is, what's this? What's this again, Mahal? Mama, why are you talking? I'm vlogging, anak. What? Yes. What is this? What is this? This is spice. Just for India. 1 point again for India for this. I remember, Mahal. This is mustard seeds. Yeah, this is mustard seeds. So 10 8, right? 10 India, 8 Philippines. Mustard seeds. We're going up. This is, I think I'm done with G rice. This is roasted rava. They're using this for making upma. So 11 8. 1 point again for India. 11 8. Ginagamit po ito sa pagluto ng ng breakfast. Yan, para siyang rice na parang pag niluto siya para siyang fried rice. Yan, they call this upma breakfast. 11 8. 11 9. This is noodles. Lucky Me, bulalo. 11 9. Munggo, no points. We have munggo. Flour, no points. Both countries are using that. And this is 1 more point from India. 12 9. This is tamarind. This is dried tamarind. We have tamarind in Philippines, but I never seen like this before. This one they're using it for fish curries, right? So 12 9. 12 Philippines. 12 India, 9 Philippines. Yan. 12 10 Philippines. We use this for spaghetti. 12 10 Del Monte original style tomato sauce. Yan. 12 10. And we have here macaroni. Yan. Macaroni shells. No points. Both are using 12 10. We have pasta, spaghetti. No points. Both are using 12 10. 12 10. 12 12. Why? Because I have adobo mix and sinigang sa sampalok, mamasita. So 12 12. Tie. It's a tie. No, it's not a tie because I have Pancit Canton. 12 13. My kid's favorite. Pancit Canton. 12 13. Oh, it's from India. 13 13. This is the one I showed you before. This is also upma. 13 13. This is what? Baking powder? No. 13 13. Breadcrumbs, star points. Yan, dyan ang magkakatalo. First, yan, 13 13. 0 points. Why? Both are using coconut milk. 1 point for Philippines. We have bagoong. Ayan, this anchovy sauce. Kaway-kaway sa mga mahilig sa bagoong. We're using this to as a dip or to cook. Dinengdeng, pinakbat. Ayan, so 14-13. The winner is Philippines. Filipino. So guys, we just finish cleaning and organizing our pantry. Ayan. I guess this is enough. Lumuwag siya, oh. Yeah. So, question is, here. Now, this pantry is so important to us because today is day 6 of 20 lockdown in Kuwait, and we don't want to take a risk to go out and buy our needs in the groceries, so we just stock up our pantries, and I hope this will last until the end of the month. And hopefully it will last, because just in case we run out of fresh produce, we have our canned goods. Just in case we run out of rice, at least we have some upma, we have some macaroni shells, we have some pasta to replace the rice. And if we run out of vegetables, at least we still have the green peas, and we have the mungo and dal. So I guess that's enough. And the sari-sari store here, or the bakalas, are still open for delivery, so we'll just sometimes, maybe once a week, we'll just go in to buy some basic ingredients like garlic, onions, and actually onions, maybe I think they're running out of stocks also for onions. So onions are very, very important right now. And thank you for watching my video. If you have any comments or suggestions, any questions, just leave your comments down, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye.